How to renew Facebook Marketplace listings. Want to give your Facebook Marketplace listing a fresh boost? Renewing your listing can help them reach more potential buyers and stay at the top of the feed. In this guide, I'll show you how to renew your Facebook Marketplace listing step by step. Let's dive in. Launch your Facebook. You'll land to the home page. Now, head towards the menu page. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the menu page, over here you will find a different option. Click on the option of Marketplace. Now, head over to the section of Sell. Click on the option of your listings. Now over here you're gonna find all of your listing. Now head over to the listing that you wanna renew. At the right corner of each of the listing you'll find 3 dots. Click on it. Different options will pop up. Click on the option of Renew on Marketplace. And just with that, I have renewed this item. By following the same steps, you can easily renew other items as well. Just click on 3 dots and select the option of Renew on Marketplace. After renewing your listing, monitor its performance to see if it's getting more views and interactions. If the listing doesn't perform well, consider adjusting the price or promoting the item further. And that's how you renew your Facebook Marketplace listings. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more marketplace tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.